Hello, this is Ami, the founder of Ivotic Healthcare, and he's Yash Nashit. We both are the co-founders of Ivotic Healthcare. Basically, we are into a service of entire Ayurveda and cosmetic range manufacturing. We are providing third-party manufacturing options of entire range of Ayurveda, and we are based out of in Rajkot. Currently, we are US FDA and MoRA-compliant unit with a in-house stability chamber and in-house QC team. Yeah, this every year we have been like a visitor. This is the very first time since last 10 years we are into this. This is the very first time we are participating in. Regarding CMPL, this is our very first time. But I must say that for a B2B platform, it is one such platform for all the founders, for R&D team, entire NPD and the industry of cosmetic and beauty care. It provides you the entire solution in terms of what is the customization, what are the new beauty ingredients, what are the trending ones, and also it also helps us, the brand like us, to share what innovations exactly we are doing in a industry. Every time people can't visit the unit, so entire compliance in even what QC things, what product innovation we can showcase over here. Currently, we have a portfolio of around 350 product range with a stable formulation. We also provide a customization in that, and this platform helped us a lot for this thing. We were currently many established brands. Their NPD and R&D team has been here. Even we were like proud to showcase what exactly we are serving the industry currently. And apart from them, for many startup brands, every day that this market is flooded with a new startup brand. Even we have helped them out also with what exactly the guidelines should be there, what product should be catered in a market, and like it was a win-win situation for both of them.
We have a list of a lot of products into this. So some of them product, if I would say it is an instant dirt removal product, it clicked to lot of many clients. So and another one is a pomegranate and wine anti-aging serum. So the thing is, like, we continuously work on our R&D on stuff on this, and every quarter we have almost 30 to 40 formulations in our end, which are having a new age ingredients in it, and then which we cater to different clients over here. It is kind of a mix reviews from all of the clients. So some of their brand is pitching to sustainability kind of sort of thing. So they ask for those products. The new age ingredients, if you say in cosmetics, liposomes, exosomes, PDRNs, these are the new sort of technologies currently sorting in market. So these are the major concerns and major ingredients the brands were looking for.
Innovation, sustainability, clean label, fast delivery, and trust.
It's kind of mission impossible, but mission impossible, we make it possible. Awesome, great, up to the mark.
Super, super.